All students of additional mathematics. From the day you start additional mathematics in the 10th grade, you need Additional Mathematics Papers 1 and 2 tutorial by Richard James Mathematics Resources. Like the other 2 tutorial books, it has both questions and answers in topics. It was also designed to be a course companion. It may be used as final examination preparation material with great success, as candidates may separate topics into strengths and weaknesses and administer the appropriate treatment. If you are doing additional mathematics and you do not purchase this book, it is because you do not want the best possible grade. This is because it is the only book that has both papers 1 and 2 problems arranged according to topics, along with approximately 100 pages of solutions, also arranged in topics. There is therefore no other book like this. The answers are written with the hand, sensitizing students to what is required for acceptable presentation. Get sharp and remain sharp throughout your entire 2 years of additional mathematics. To purchase Additional Mathematics Papers 1 and 2 tutorials and solutions by Richard James Mathematics Resources, call or WhatsApp 876-318-8848 or 876-351-9689.